Namaste. Welcome to day 1 of Breathing Beginners Challenge. I am very much excited to start this challenge, especially to help the beginners to understand what is breathing, the importance of breathing. As you all know, we breathe 24,000 times approximately in a day. But we never give our attention to the way we are breathing. This breathing challenge, the next 5 days breathing challenge, especially for beginners, it helps you to correct your breathing pattern and also improve the lung capacity and also reduce many other symptoms, stress, anxiety levels. It just takes 5 minutes, but I want you to complete the next 5 days this challenge so that you will see maximum benefits. By just watching this video, you will not be going to gain anything. You can stop this video now itself. But if you are serious, practice along with me so that you can see maximum benefits out of these practices. These are very simple. It just takes 5 minutes. Hi, my name is Badrinath Gella. I am a certified breathing coach and wellness coach by Ministry of Ayush and Government of India. I am the founder of Conscious Breathing Hub. I am here to help people who are suffering with anxiety, depression, or people who have any other health issues. With the power of breath, I want to help them to solve their problems. So if you want to be part of my community, do click the button below and join my community. So let us see the day 1 of beginners breathing challenge. I specially made this series for beginners who really want to understand the importance of breath and how you can incorporate these techniques into your daily habits. So the breathing, like the capacity of our lungs is how much? 5 to 6 liters. But we normally breathe just 500 ml. We don't really engage all the muscles in our respiratory system. We don't really fill the complete lungs. So that's why first we have to enhance our lung capacity before we go to pranayamas or any other powerful breathing techniques. That's why first we are going to do a simple equal breathing. Then we move on to other breathing techniques. So let us see how to practice simple breathing technique. Before that, let's remember the basic things of any breathing practice which you are going to do from now on. If you are new to my channel, from now on, these are the things which you need to consider before you go for any breathing practice, wherever you are, whichever school you are going to. Make sure you are sit in a comfortable position. The position should be firm, so you should not feel discomfort. You can use pillow, block, or you can also practice while sitting on the chair. There is no restrictions for this. That's why there is no excuse for you to stop practicing this technique. Wherever you are, just sit comfortably. Make sure your spine is erect. The spine should be erect, which is very, very important, because otherwise you cannot breathe completely. When you are hunching back, you are compressing your lungs, you are not allowing your lungs to breathe properly. And shoulders should be in one line. Your chin should be perpendicular to your body and you are looking forward, and place your both hands on your knees. Either you can place upward or downward. First, let's relax for a few minutes. Close your eyes. Observe your breath. Inhale and exhale. Focus on your breath. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Keep focusing on your breath. Understand the movement of your breath. With every inhalation, your chest and your abdomen is expanding. With every exhalation, your chest and your abdomen is getting contracted. Inhale and exhale slowly. Make sure whenever you are inhaling, your abdomen, your stomach, your belly should come out. When you are exhaling, your belly should go in. This is the correct way of breathing. Inhale slowly and softly. Do not exaggerate your breath. You are inhaling as slow as possible. Do not squeeze your facial muscles. Your facial muscles are relaxed. Your shoulders and your neck muscles are relaxed. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Keep inhaling and exhaling. Now, let us start equal breathing. Inhale for 3 counts, exhale for 3 counts. Your spine should be erect, your chin should be perpendicular, your whole body is relaxed, your body is firm. So inhale 1, 2, 3, exhale 1, 2, 3, 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 inhale slowly, exhale slowly, inhale for 3 counts, exhale for 3 counts. Focus on your breath. With every inhalation, take positivity and happiness. With every exhalation, release your stress, worries, tensions. Slowly relax and keep your eyes closed. Observe your breathing. Observe the changes. And open your eyes. This is a simple challenge for day 1. So make sure you practice this perfectly in the morning, also in the evening, at least for 5 minutes, so that you will see maximum benefits and you will see a lot of changes in your practice. From tomorrow onwards, it's going to be a little challenging. Make sure you practice this and start tomorrow's video so that you will see maximum benefits. I hope you are practicing along with me. Unless you practice along with me, you are not going to get any benefits by just watching this video. Please practice and see you again tomorrow. Namaste.